Hey guys, so today we are gonna unbox this parcel that we received from Mi, and this is a Mi vacuum cleaner robo mop. So I ordered this late in when the lockdown hit, and it was expected to be delivered in September, but as the crowdfunding programs always is, so this got delayed and it just got received in the month of December. So today it got received and it was shipped from Blue Dart. So we are gonna quickly unbox this. There's a lot of bubble wrap around here. Okay. Yeah, with the bubble wrap cleared out, it says I have the invoice. So I got this for 17,000, around 17 or 18,000 I guess, and I believe it should not be damaged at least. So the packing is quite heavy loaded, the packing. So I hope the product justifies itself, because this is something that I invested in and probably could turn out to be one of the baddest investments ever. So let's hope this comes. Okay. So there you can see it. All right. So this is how it looks like. Quite a heavy box, so I can give you a size comparison. This is right, so this is my Acer Predator compared with the rubber box. Let's see what more there is. So once we open the seal, yeah, all right. Wow, that's a nice way to open. So we don't have, do we have anything here? I guess this might be charger. All right, so yep, so this is a charger. It is quite heavy though. Let me open it up for you. And right, let me open this up. So yep, so this one says it is a, yeah, all right. So this is where all the dirt will be collected on. So this goes somewhere in the unit itself. So yep, that's detachable, right? So so now comes the main part. Okay, so this is how it looks like, right? Oh, it's quite heavy. It is quite heavy. So you can compare the size, like it is almost like my laptop. And there are wheels at the bottom. This is where the dust pads are, and you can actually remove it to access them. So you can actually replace, when this wears off, you can replace this easily. Yep, that fits in right. That should be done right. So, and remove before you use it. Okay, so we have two safety knobs, sponges, just to secure the device, I guess, right? So this is where it will maybe recognize like it got hit by something or it is docked. And apart from this, I guess we should have something. All right, so we have these two dust pads. And yep, this is what the international model was missing, and it has been crowdfunded by the Indian audience just for this feature, because we use wet floors, we use wet mopping for our floors, so we don't vacuum clean them, just vacuum clean them. We also use wet mop to clear our floors. So yes, there it is. So yeah, so this is the mop which will actually clear your floors with water. So there are some instructions on how to do it, right? So you can actually lift this thing up and access all the various things. So this says it has a sharp blade inside, so should not be messed with. Okay, I don't know why, what's the use of this, I don't know yet. So this is the tank where things will be there. So there are two tanks, the one which came with the box itself and the one that is currently installed in it. So probably like this one is where the water goes and the other one would be for dry usage. So what this actually does is like there is a sensor in here, so if you actually see, it records from all sides. If you can see, I guess, yep. So there's a camera which rotates and records, and it creates a 3D map of the surroundings around it, and that map is populated upon your application. Then it accesses and mops the entire area according to your needs. And while we're doing it, like this mopping thing can be placed over here, so it should be Should be over here, I guess. Yep, there it goes, fits perfectly. And that is all. Like I will provide a detailed review once I start using this mop, and probably it will do the job well. Let's hope for so. Thank you guys for taking out time and watching my video. Thank you.